1995 was hard, ran out of summers, but before he died, I asked him, wait, what's the sense in life? Come over me, come over me. He said, son, why you gotta sing that tune? Got your Dylan song or some eclipse of the moon. Let your angel swing and make you swoon. Then you will see, and he said, here's a riddle for you. Find the answer, there's a reason for the world, you and I. Every time I get from school today, did you learn anything? Cause in the world today, you can't live in a castle far away. Come talk to me, come talk to me. He said that I'm big, but we are smaller than small. In a scheme of things, well, we are nothing at all. Till every mother's child sings a lonely song. Come play with me, come play with me. And hey dad, here's a riddle for you. Find the answer, there's a reason for the world, you and I said, son, for all I've told you, but when you get right down to the reason for the world, who am I? There are secrets that we still have left to find. There have been mysteries from the beginning of time. There are answers we are not wise enough to see. I said you're looking for a clue. I love you free. The banner swings and the summer flies as I look into my angel's eye, where the song plays on while the moon is high. Over me, something comes over me, and I guess we are big, and I guess we are strong. Think about it, think about it, may know we got it all, cause you're all we got on this bouncing ball. And I love you free, I love you freely. Here's a riddle for you. Find the answer, there's a reason for